Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Realme X2 device, whether the phone supports the widevine L1 or certificate or not. That means that whether you can watch the HD videos, HDR in the Netflix and the Amazon Prime, is it possible in this phone or not? So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. SciTech Guru will be posting a lot of interesting videos and tips and tricks on a lot of other smartphones. So you can find the playlist of all the smartphones whichever I reviewed in my channel. So particularly if you want to look about the Realme X2 device, so there is a first link on the top in the description. So you can find a lot of useful videos which I did on the Realme X2 device. So as you can see, there are plenty of comparison videos. So you can find a lot of interesting videos on the Realme X2 phone. So before buying the phone, it's better to watch all the videos. So then you can decide whether to buy the phone or not. So as you can see here exactly what variant I'm using in this video. So Realme X2. So there is an international version, not the Chinese version. So I have downloaded the application from the Google Play Store DRM application. So let me open the app. So here you can find the two settings, wide color gamut which is supported and HDR is supported. That's a very good thing. And next key feature, we need to look at the security level 1. So if there is any security level 1, that means that your phone supports the HDR content in all the applications like Netflix and Amazon Prime. So right now the Realme X2 is supported with that. So you can see friends, right now I am playing the movie Siren Narasimha from the Amazon Prime. So here you can see the HD in 1080p. So overall the Realme X2 supports the L1 certificate and you can watch successfully all the HD content from Amazon Prime and Netflix application successfully in this device without any trouble. So even you can watch the YouTube videos in the HDR content as well. So overall guys, you can watch the HD content in all the applications. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru, and this is a short video to demonstrate whether it supports the HD content playback in all the applications or not. So don't forget to check the playlist as well for the complete in-depth reviews on the Realme X2 device. So I'm trying to keep all the videos very short, so that's why I'm trying to make the videos within 3-minute range. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.